Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a holding company. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a holding company, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Holding companies are formed to acquire equity in other businesses. This, however, is not the same as purchasing stock in another company. Even if a company does not issue stock, equity ownership refers to ownership in that company. For example, whether or not stock is issued, joining two other partners in the ownership of a company makes you an equity owner. Stockholders are a subset of equity owners. While holding companies can own stock, other types of equity exist, such as hedge funds, real estate, and song rights. Holding companies handle the ownership of almost any valuable asset in a business. The primary reasons for forming a holding company are to protect assets, reap tax benefits, and have control or influence over other businesses. Holding companies can file all of their businesses on the same tax return, saving time and money. The holding company's value rises when the value of the stocks it owns in various businesses rises. The holding company can help dictate the direction and operations of a business by holding certain levels of equity in it. A holding company owns stock in an operating company, but if the holding company does not co-sign on the operating company's debt, it is not liable for it. This can help to protect assets from creditors. The holding company holds assets, which helps to protect those assets from lawsuits and debt liabilities. Only the holding company's worth and capital are at risk. Because the value of a holding company is in protecting assets and influencing other businesses, it is only in certain circumstances that it is worthwhile to establish one. If you want to do so, start by assessing your current business requirements. A holding company, for example, may be useful if you are concerned about asset protection. However, holding companies are frequently formed in order to reap tax benefits. You can set up an operating company and a holding company, both of which are separate legal entities, and shield the holding company from the operating company's debt. You must register your holding company in a state and provide your business name, articles of incorporation, and the name of the business agent managing the operating and holding companies. You can act as the agent for both the operating and holding companies if you wish. Your company's articles of incorporation outline its purpose, list its officers, and specify how business-related decisions will be made. You must also open a bank account that is unique to your holding company. Operating and holding companies must use separate bank accounts and keep separate bank records. Your company's wealth is deposited with the holding company rather than the operating company. This money is then available for lending to the operating company as needed. If your operating company was already in existence when you formed your holding company, you can sell its assets to the holding company to protect them. To expand and diversify your holding company's portfolio, you may decide to invest in or acquire tangible or intangible equity in other businesses as opportunities arise. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a holding company. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.